Things they don't teach you in school, but they should. Law edition. Moving into a new place? Take pictures of anything your landlord can use against you to keep your security deposit. Did you know insurance companies hire people to watch every move you make in public? That way they can pay you less in your injury case. They can even look through your home window. Thinking about proposing? Depending on who broke up with who, you might not get that ring back. Legal loophole. You live in LA and you get a red camera ticket, you technically don't have to respond to it. Since it's not a normal ticket you have to sign saying you'll show up to court. And that means you don't need to show up. Follow to stay on Law TikTok. One phrase that will save your case. If you file a case, you most likely will have to answer a bunch of questions. This is called a deposition. If you think the questions are there to trick you, repeat after me.
I don't know.
That's right. All you have to say is,
Pick up the call.
And you won't hurt your case. This is what you say when a cop says, "Mind if I take a look in your car?" Repeat after me.
No, officer, what is the probable cause?
Cops can usually only search your car if they see something illegal, they think their life's in danger, or you just look schmacked AF. Things they don't teach you in school, but they should. Law edition. Don't let an injury lawyer charge you per hour, and we only get paid if you do. You want a lawyer that will believe in your case. You don't have to do everything a cop asks. For example, if a cop asks you to come down to the station, don't do it. You're not under arrest. Thinking about doing a prenup? It's kind of awkward, right? Did you know you can sign one after marriage? It's called a postnup. Tips before applying to law school. Don't cram for an exam. You might have done it in college, but it won't fly in law school. Build the good habits now. If you plan on going to a top 10 law school, don't try to get a job your first year, even if you're worried about money. Think about the long term. Those couple $100 ain't gonna mean much when you're making stats. Weird Laws, Christmas edition. In Philly, you can't have a real tree in a high-rise or a house with more than 2 families. Even though you don't have a real tree, don't worry, at least Santa's a guarantee. 3 things you never do to your lawyer. Please don't lie to your lawyer. Help me help you. The last thing a lawyer wants is to be caught by surprise. Don't destroy bad evidence for your case. Because when it's brought up, and when it's not there, it's gonna look sus as f. Don't be the tough guy or girl if you're injured. Go to the doctor and make a record of your pain. Because you might just find yourself on the losing side. Checkmate. Things they don't teach you in school, but they should. Law edition. Number 1, domestic violence is a mislabel. Abuse can be emotional, verbal, coercive control, or financial control. There's no requirement for actual violence. Live by this rule in the workplace. If you can't say it to your 90-year-old grandma, don't say it at all. Looking to get a roommate? If they pay you rent when you pay your landlord, guess what? You just became a landlord. Good luck evicting your new roomie. Law school tips. When a professor calls you, don't be afraid. Even if you're wrong, it won't affect your grade. So focus on the exam and start hitting the books.